Welcome to this tutorial on how to show your relationship status to everyone on Facebook. In today's digital age, social media platforms like Facebook are essential for sharing personal updates with friends and family. If you're in a relationship and want to let everyone know, here's how you can do it easily. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, you'll see a menu icon represented by 3 horizontal lines at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on this icon to access the menu. From the menu, select Your Profile to view your Facebook profile page. Here, you'll see all the information you've shared publicly, including your profile picture and cover photo. To make changes to your profile, tap the Edit Profile button. Scroll down to the Details section of your profile. This is where you can edit various aspects of your personal information, including your relationship status. Tap on Edit to begin making changes. In the Details section, look for the Relationship field. You'll see an edit icon which looks like a pencil next to your current relationship status. Tap on this pencil icon to update your relationship status. Now, you'll have the option to select your relationship status from a list of options, such as in a relationship, engaged, or single. Choose the status that best describes your current situation. If you want to add a partner, you can do so by typing their name and selecting it from the search results. After updating your relationship status, tap on the Privacy button. This is where you can control who sees your relationship status. To make it visible to everyone, select Public from the options provided. This means anyone who visits your profile will be able to see your relationship status. Finally, tap Save to apply your changes. Your relationship status will now be visible to the public, allowing friends, family, and acquaintances to see that you're in a relationship. This can be a great way to share your personal life with others while maintaining control over what you share. By following these simple steps, you can easily update your relationship status on Facebook and share it with everyone. Whether you're looking to keep your friends and family informed, or simply want to express your personal life on social media, Facebook makes it easy to do so.